So here it is, guys. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish fry off and then I'll come back. Good morning, guys, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Guys, always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Welcome back to Elaine's Creative Cooking. Guys, today we are going to do a simple, quick, and easy breakfast idea. We are going to do some fried green plantains, and I'm going to show you step by step how I do my fried green plantains. And guys, we are going to press them. After we fry them, we are going to just press them. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So this is the green plantain, guys. Here we have our green plantain here. So what I'm going to do, guys, I wash this plantain. I wash it. So I'm going to peel it now. We're going to do it like this, guys. And we get it, and it's well full. Sure that we get our skin tear. So guys, if it don't come off all the way around, you can just use your knife and finish. Take off the rest. So guys, here we have it. Here is the plantain, so I'm going to cut it like this, like that, guys, and I'm going to now slit it like this down in the center. I'm going to do it like this. Guys, I hope you are seeing everything. So I'm going to rest them in this plate because we are going to put them in the pot now, guys. You can cut them either way if you want to cut them round like this. So I'm going to now put them in the pot. The oil was here eating up, guys. So we are going to allow these to fry off, guys. We're going to allow them to fry. Okay, guys, here we are, and this is what the plantain is looking like. Guys, we don't want them to fry right through because remember we are going to press them and put them back in the pot. So I'm going to take them out. I'm going to take them from the pot, guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking them from the pot and then I'm going to add the rest. So I have the rest, guys. This one is not ready yet. So here you have it, and these are the ones that finished. So we're going to come over here now. We're going to come back to our cutting board. So guys, here I have a towel. I have my rolling pin here, and I have a towel here. And guys, this towel is clean. Ensure that your towel is clean. This is a clean towel. So I'm going to press them. I'm going to put them back in the pot. So I'm going to now press. with my rolling pin. See it here, guys? So I press and I put it over there in the plate. See it? I press it on the towel. Doing it like this. See, guys? So I'm going to now turn over and I'm going to press. Oops, this one is so tall. Oops. Guys, I have to cut this one. It's hot too. Going to press with the towel. You can use the palm right here of your hand or bottle. Or a bottle, you can also use a bottle. See you guys. We're going to press again, guys. The rolling pin. Here you have it. And also do like this. If you don't want to use the rolling pin, it's another easy way. So what we are going to do now, guys, we are going to put back these that we have already pressed. We are going to put them back to fry. Get rid of the oil. So guys, all right, we're going to drop back these, put back these in the pot now. All right, guys, now that I show you how I finished, how I press them, so I'm going to press these two. We have two leaves here. Or I can use the palm of my hand right here. You don't have to use a rolling pin if you don't have one. One press nice, guys. Look, I'll use my hand, press all of them. So here it is, guys. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish fry off and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I'm going to take out these now and we're going to rest them on our paper towel right here, guys, and then we put in the rest. And guys, remember we didn't have any salt, so as soon as they come from the pot we have to sprinkle them with some salt. See. This one pressed so nicely, guys. I should have used the palm of my hands right there on my hand to do all of them. See guys, so right now guys, I'm going to sprinkle these with a little salt. You don't want them too salt guys. Let me use my hand. Use it. We're sprinkling a little salt. See there guys? These are sprinkled with a little salt. So here's the rest frying off over here. Guys, you can either serve this for breakfast or you can have it as a snack, or even for brunch. You can serve this up for brunch. So guys, as soon as back as these fried off, then we'll come back and we'll show you what I'm going to serve this up with. Soon be back. Okay guys, so here we are back. So we're going to take out the final frying of the plantains, and this is how we do green plantains: fried, press, green plantains. Guys, let me turn off the stove. Here guys, see there? These are what they look like, or they are looking like after they are finished frying. So here we have them. So guys, I'm going to sprinkle some salt on these. And sprinkle salt. We don't want them too salt guys. So guys, what we are going to do now, we are going to serve up these bad boys. Showed you what I serve it with. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm going to show you what I serve it up with. I serve it up with some cook up saltfish, and I just sprinkle it with a little dry parsley. So guys, here you have it. This is the final dish of our fried green plantains, step by step. And here is the cook up saltfish, what I served it with. Look at it guys, take a good look. How lovely this dish is looking. You look at it. That is the final dish guys, and I serve it up with some cook up saltfish. Guys, so you can serve this up. Some people serve it with mackerel, whatever you want to serve it with. And this is a breakfast idea, and it's also for a brunch. Guys, I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me this morning. Guys, please remember to share and like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, remember to stay safe, stay blessed. Bye guys.